Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and to the course Advanced Cartoon Character Rigging in 3ds Max. In this lesson, we will create a rig for the character's sleeve. We made a similar rig when we created the rig for the shorts. But before we start, let's change the axis order for the shoulder bones to avoid Gimbal Lock. To do this, open the Motion panel, choose Rotation, and in Euler Parameters Axis Order, replace XYZ with XZY. Gimbal Lock is a situation where two rotation axes overlap and we lose 1 degree of freedom. For example, if during animation we rotate the shoulder down and then to the side, instead of the expected movement, it will start rotating around another axis. Clone the shoulder bone and increase its size, then create a new tip for it and freeze the transform. This new bone will be used for the sleeve. Create a point and align it with the tip. To do this, use Alt+A, choose Position and Orientation. Apply the HI solver to the new bones. Now clone the point and move it back in the local coordinate system. This point will be used as a controller for IK rotation. I cloned a temporary point and linked it to the bone to check if the shoulder would rotate when we set the target. For the HI solver, in the Motion panel, in the IK solver parameter, set the cloned point as the target. The point stayed in place, so everything is fine, it can be deleted. If it shifts, you can reset it using IK FK snap. Now link the HI solver and IK target to the sleeve point. Link the point itself to the main shoulder bone. Then select all elements and freeze their transforms. After that, apply a position constraint to the sleeve point and set the forearm as the target. Cancel the shoulder bone's rotation with the sleeve point using wire parameters. To do this, connect the shoulder's x-axis with the point's x-axis and add a minus sign at the beginning of the expression to invert the movement. Now repeat the same steps on the right side. On the right side, place the IK target in front because the shoulder bone was originally mirrored. That's all for this lesson. In the next one, we will create an IK-FK system for the arms and connect it to the main arm bone. See you in the next video. Bye!